welcome back to my channel. All right, so I have to admit I'm hot mess Yota today. I didn't put on any makeup. I've been outside cleaning my back porch, and I've been out in the sun for a while, and I came in, took a shower, and thought, I'm gonna film and I'm not gonna put on any makeup because they don't care. You're my fam, okay? You guys don't care. I don't have to doll up every video, right? But if you're new, I'm very sorry. To all my new subscribers. All right, guys. For today's video, I am very excited to share with you what it is I got at Coach in Manhattan when I was there a couple of weeks ago with Cami. We met up with Dawn and Eva, and we all walked away with something really cool. So I'm just now getting around to sharing with you guys what I got. Now, it wasn't a shopping trip, but we did all decide to meet up at Coach. So that's what we did, and I got something that I absolutely love, and I can't wait to share it with you. All right, guys, so as most of you know, I just got back from Staten Island a couple weeks ago, and we had the best time. So Keith and I went, and we got a hotel near Cami and Louie's home, and they would pick us up and take us places, and we just had the most fun weekend. And so on Saturday, Keith and Cami and I, we went into Manhattan, and we went to the MoMA, and we also went to a exhibit called Rise New York. And you guys, it's a must-see. If you go to Manhattan, you really need to do it, because if you've ever been to Disney World, and if you've ever been on any of those like 4D rides they have, like Soarin', that's one of them. That's really what this ride reminded me of. It was very Disney-like. We soared all over Manhattan. We swooped through Central Park and down into the subway, and then you had this feeling that you were flying up by the Statue of Liberty and just all the buildings. And you guys, it was so fabulous. It was just so much fun. Keith absolutely loved it. So we did that, and we spent the entire day in Manhattan. We later in the day met up at the Coach store in Manhattan, and this is what I walked away with. I really didn't plan to buy anything, but I saw this. I almost didn't get anything, but when I saw this, I thought, I have to have that. Actually, somebody walked by with one, and I went up to one of the guys working in the store, and I said, do you have any more of those? He said, I think that was the last one. And he went and looked, and he had one left. And I said, I want that. So I can't wait to share it with you, but it wasn't really a shopping weekend. Now, when I went to the MoMA, I, of course, always want to go to the store, because when I go to a museum, I love to get stationery, and this is by Cezanne, and I really love his work. And so I got this in 5 different paintings of his. So I love to get stationery, something by an artist, whenever I am at a museum. I also got these little, it's also by, well, no, this is by Van Gogh, and every page is a different painting, and you paint it with watercolor, and it's on watercolor, and it actually has it drawn out. I don't think it's going to show up. It's blowing out on the screen, but I love this because I can send these as little postcards. I can paint them and write a little note on the back. So I picked up that, and I also picked up this little zippy. I just thought this was really cute. I got this as well, but it's a gift, and I can't tell you who it's for because she's watching, and she'll be surprised when she gets it. So that's all I got, you guys. We just planned to go shopping maybe at the mall, but we had so much fun hanging out at Cami and Louie's house that we never made it to the mall. But that's okay, because like I said, it wasn't a shopping trip. It was just a hang out and have fun trip. And then after we went to Coach, we went to eat with Eva and Dawn, and we had a fabulous meal and lots of laughs, and it was just a great time. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stop yapping because I cannot wait to break this out. I have not seen this since I got home, like 2 weeks ago. So I can't wait. The weekend's coming up, well, soon. It's only Tuesday, but I can't wait because I want to use it this weekend. All right, I am so excited, you guys, to open this. Somebody told me, you seem more excited when you open Coach than you do luxury. And for some reason I do. I don't know why, you guys. To me, Coach is luxury. So, you know, if you don't agree with me, I mean, I hate it for you because you can't get much. Look, you can't get any more luxurious than Coach, in my opinion. So, all right, so I got kind of a small item. Oh, you see the color? It's like bubble gum. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just stop dilly-dallying. What do I always say? We do not dilly-dally on this channel. Look at this. Look at this little cutie patootie, okay? So, it's a little Coach Tabby wristlet in this beautiful bubblegum pink. I don't want to put it too close too fast or it'll blur it. But anyway, look at that. How cute. Okay, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, okay? I just love it. All right, so this comes off. You can take this off if you want. You can just use it as a clutch, which is dressier. I probably wouldn't ever use this as a really dressy occasion, but you could. But on the inside, you also have a chain that came with it. So I can actually wear it crossbody. Yes. You heard me right. I can wear this little bag 3 different ways. Crossbody, handheld as a little clutch, or as a wristlet. And I love the fact that it is silver hardware with this beautiful pink. Now, when I was looking around, I didn't really see anything that I really wanted. I mean, I have just about everything that I want from Coach. Well, not everything, but I didn't really see anything that grabbed me, and I just thought, I don't think I'm going to get anything. But as I said earlier, somebody walked by with this, and I thought, oh my gosh. So I asked, and it was the only other one left. I love it, you guys. It's so, so cute. Now, I'm pretty sure my phone's going to fit in it, because that's always been a game changer for me. I don't want anything so small that my phone will not fit in it. And I can tell by looking at it that my iPhone 15 Pro Max will fit in it, and I would put it right here in the back. It's perfect, you guys. So there it is, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and then I could put my license and a credit card, a little mirror, and a lipstick. That's all I need for a night out with my hubby. And yeah, I love small bags for the weekend. So is this not the cutest little thing? I'll put it on and show you what it looks like crossbody. Okay. You guys, sorry about my clothes and my whole look tonight. But anyway, look how cute. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. So perfect for a weekend out. Oh, I love it, you guys. And it would be great to take on my Italy trip, because I could carry something like this, and I still don't know what bag I'm taking, but anyway, I could take something like this and then bring something big and put this inside something small. So that's the way I roll when I travel. I'm not saying I'm taking it, but you know, it's an option. I love it, you guys. So cute. All right. So cute. Okay, so I ran in my purse room and I grabbed some Coach straps that I have because I want to play around a little bit. Okay. I have the rainbow strap. So pretty. I've used it with so many bags. I may not have shared that with you guys. You guys don't know everything about me, okay? You may think you do, but you don't. I mean, I have secrets. Let's go ahead and cut this tag off. If I can find, there it is. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the tag off. I totally just stabbed myself. Yes, I got a little nick, but it's not bleeding. Okay, that's a first. That's a first. After 5 years on YouTube, I finally stabbed myself during a filming. Okay. That hurt. Okay. So here's the bag. All right. Well, it does have gold hardware, but let's just see. We're just playing around, okay? Let's just see what this looks like. I think it might be really cute. Gotta get it on there, and you guys be the judge and tell me if I should carry it like this, because oh my gosh, it doesn't have a lot of pink in it. Like, it has pink here, okay? And red and all the colors. I think that's really cute. What do you guys think? Really cute. I wish it had more pink, but it still works. All right. Now, I actually have another strap, like my rainbow strap, but it is pink. I don't think it's the exact shade, but let's try. I always use it with this Teddy Blake bag that I got a while back. You guys, I tried to sell this a while back and nobody opted for it. I really was shocked. So yeah, my camera just went out on me. Yeah, this is a Teddy Blake bag and it's so pretty with this pink one, and I just have always used it like this. I don't use the strap that goes with it because I think this is so cute. And I tried to sell this bag, I don't know, a couple vlog sales ago and nobody wanted it, and now I'm kind of glad I still have it. Let me go ahead and try the pink strap on the pink little tiny itty bitty Tabby. I don't know if it's not really the same shade, so, but hey, it's not the same shade. It's a little darker, but hey, that is really cute. Look at that. I love it. I do. I love it with this pink. This is cute. Okay. Very, very cute. I sound like my dad. But you guys, this is a versatile little bag. I'm so glad that I got it. Oh my gosh. So let me put the strap right on the leather and show you. It's a little off, but hey, I think it totally works. I think it's really super cute together. You guys tell me which one you like best. I'll probably use all of them. This one looks a little more fallish, and actually it would even look cute on this Teddy Blake. So this is the Rainbow Pride strap. Oh, I haven't put it on this Teddy Blake bucket bag. I'm a really bad, you guys, I am a bag snob. I really shouldn't ever try to sell this because this is gorgeous. And they don't really make this style anymore. They really should have kept it up. But this looks like a really pretty fall bag, I think. But anyway, that's not what the video is about. It's about this little cutie. All right, guys, so that's all I got in Manhattan. Okay, there's something else that I got that I am obsessed with. This is something that I got from one of Candy's lives. So if you haven't been and watch Candy's lives, you're really missing out because she is doing a great job. She has so many bags to choose from, and most of them, you know, you can do a payment plan. Most of them are payment plan friendly. So this is something that I picked up. I had sold, well, let me show it to you. Okay, so here it is. And when she sends you, she sends a card. Where did I put the card? It's somewhere around here. And a sucker. So she does such cute presentation with the things that she sends you. So this is the Louis Vuitton charm. Zippy coin purse. I don't know what the real name for it is, but I used to have just the zippy coin purse, the one like this without the D-ring here. And I have no idea why I sold it, and I always regretted it, and I wanted to buy it back, and I never did. And then when I was watching the live, I thought, you know, I could use it just as a coin purse or a charm. So I could use it for like multiple ways. And I'm super excited that I got it. It's got these gussets on the side. Yeah, this one's different than the one I had. It really opens up wide like that. So yeah, I got this. I have other things coming, you guys. I love Candy. I love you, Candy. Your lives are the best. All right, so what else do I have to show you? Oh, okay, guys, so really that is all I have for today. I'm so giddy right now. But I love this piece, and it is in excellent condition. And I'll be able to use this on lots of bags. So pretty. I think this will be pretty on my Ebene Neverfull. All right, guys, so that is all I have to share with you guys today. So me and my little cutie will bid you a farewell for now. We will be back on Saturday. I'm not sure what's going down on Saturday, but something epic is going down on Thursday. So yeah, you'll see me on Thursday this week. So I'll see you guys really soon. I hope you guys have a fabulous morning, noon, or night. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Join my fam jam, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.